What's up everyone, my name is Ian, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install tire stickers from tirestickers.com. So I opted for the blue Michelin stickers that have the white lettering, and these are the semi-permanent application. I was looking for something really durable, and these are going to last upwards into thousands of miles. So there are different options that you can choose as well on their website. You can opt for your own customized set that you can create, or you can choose their pre-made stickers that you can go with. They have different applications as well as far as temporary, semi-permanent, and permanent applications. So the kits come with everything that you need, with the exception of fine grit sandpaper and also a degreaser for the tires, so you can choose to go with acetone or brake cleaner. So without further ado, let's get started with the install.
So first thing is first, what we want to do is degrease the tire by using brake cleaner or acetone. So let's go ahead and get that started. So you want to keep rubbing this until you see no more dirt on the rag. Next, what you want to do is remove these little rubber knobbies off the side of the tire. And then take some light sandpaper. One more spray. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the flex cement to the back. That's a pretty decent coating right there. Now what I'm going to do is place it where I want it. Line it up and then use the outside part of the tire to help you align it. Once you find it, press it right in the center and want to work your way from the inside out while using your other fingers to hold it down and to make sure that the sticker is not moving. So just like that, inside out, and start pressing, going more and more towards the edges of the sticker. And make sure to really get the edges. After the glue has dried, what you want to do is peel the transparent top layer off. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other three wheels and show you some glamour shots of the car with the tire stickers all on.
So now that you've seen how easy the install process is, head over to tirestickers.com to purchase your set, so that way you can add that extra touch of personalization to your car and help it stand out from the rest. If you haven't already, click subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.